In today's fast-paced digital economy, robotic process automation, RPA, has emerged as a transformative force for businesses seeking to streamline operations, cut costs, and boost productivity. From banking to healthcare, numerous success stories showcase how RPA has revolutionized repetitive, rule-based tasks, allowing human employees to focus on more strategic work. Banking on efficiency. The case of Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank, one of Europe's largest financial institutions, faced mounting pressure to reduce operational costs and enhance customer experience. The bank implemented RPA to automate several back-office operations, including account reconciliation, compliance reporting, and loan processing. With bots handling thousands of transactions daily, processing time was cut by over 60%, and errors dropped significantly. The bank not only achieved major cost savings, but also improved service accuracy and turnaround time, saving time in healthcare. NHS England. In the healthcare sector, NHS England deployed RPA to improve administrative efficiency, particularly in patient data management and appointment scheduling. Bots were programmed to pull data from multiple outdated systems and consolidate it into a single user-friendly platform. This saved hundreds of man-hours weekly, allowing healthcare workers to spend more time on patient care. RPA also helped ensure better data accuracy, improving patient safety and service quality. Manufacturing precision. Siemens, a global manufacturing giant, adopted RPA to streamline its supply chain and procurement processes. Tasks such as invoice matching, vendor onboarding, and order tracking were previously manual and time-consuming. RPA bots were introduced to handle these operations, reducing processing time from days to hours. The result: a 30% increase in efficiency and a sharp decline in procurement cycle times. Telecom transformation. AT&T, a leader in telecommunications, turned to RPA to enhance its customer service and billing systems. Repetitive tasks like updating customer profiles, sending billing reminders, and processing service requests were automated using bots. Not only did this reduce the burden on human agents, but it also increased customer satisfaction with faster and more accurate responses. AT&T saw a 40% improvement in service request handling time within the first year of implementation. HR evolution. Coca-Cola. Even in human resources, RPA has made a strong impact. Coca-Cola deployed RPA in its HR department to automate employee onboarding, payroll processing, and benefits administration. Bots now ensure that new hires receive prompt welcome emails, system logins, and necessary documentation, all without human intervention. The company reported a significant improvement in employee experience and a drastic reduction in HR processing errors.